Do you want to see the cutting stone here?
Yeah, I want to see cutting stone. Let's go
over
to
there.
see cutting stone. Let's
Yeah,
go.
yeah.
And now in the Bojo market, they have a new thing. They have a cutting stones facility, which is great. And my friend gonna show me right now. Right, my friend?
Yeah, right.
Let's go to see
Wait,
cutting
before-
facility. Hey, we in Bojo market again. That's where I start my business with Burma stones, 1930, 1995. Okay, now we're going to see how the gemstone cutting happen. It's a huge market. They sell here not only stones, they sell here crystal. Hello, Mingalawa. Sabi bila. Lade. And the stones is here, sapphire ruby, like always, so nice. Mingalawa.
This is my friend daughter.
This is your friend
Yeah, my
daughter.
friend daughter.
Very good. Yeah, very nice. And your friend daughter selling ruby, sapphire, assorted sapphire, and of course everybody have children and ruby jewelry and sapphire jewelry. It's incredible. Bojo market is still alive, you know. People trading stone everywhere. I love this country. It's a lot of freedom in trading stones. It's really a lot of freedom here in trading stones. So now we're going to see how they cut stones here, yeah, Kochutu?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's
Over.
go. Huh?
Over there.
Let's go. I follow you.
So
So we keep following the Bojo market, and my friend gonna show you how they cut stones here. The last time I saw how they cut stone in Burma, it was Mogok, and it was a very good friend of mine was cutting very expensive stone. Now we're in a Bojo market. It's a center of the world, used to be for gemstones. Not anymore. Today it's a lot of souvenir, a lot of handicrafts, a lot of jewelry as well. Yeah, but there's a lot of jewelry as well. Pearls, they grow in pearls here in this, where we go? Let's go. Mingalawa. Hello. So it's a lot of natural, not natural, but I mean growing up pearls, topaz. Hello. How are you? How is business? Good?
Good.
Good. Super good. Yeah? Counter. Business super counter. And we keep going. We are following my friend. This is a diamond jewelry. They mine diamonds, but they don't know how to cut diamonds here. Hello, Mingalawa. How are you? You are very beautiful.
Hey, thank you.
Same as your jewelry. Your jewelry very nice. How is business? Good? Good? Okay, thank you. Kochoto, let's go.
yeah.
We are in a Bojo market. That's where I first came to Burma. I come, and this is the main value we are coming, where I was buying my best spinel, monthly spinel, 5 carat for $200, which worth today $200,000. It's a main valley where this Bojo market built by British, and the main value, of course, it's dedicated to the jewelry. Mingalawa. Mingalawa. Sabi bila?
Yeah, Sabi Papi.
And jade. Don't forget, guys, Burma is very famous for the jade. It's #1 place for the jade in the world. And this is Bojo market. Hello. Mingalawa.
I know you.
You know me?
Yeah,
I wish I would know you too, you know. How can I know you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
from Yangon.
We are going with my friend to see how they cut stone. Do you know how they cut stones? Anyway, you also gem business?
Yes.
Oh, really? What is your favorite stone?
Ruby.
Really? My favorite stone is a spinel, red spinel, and second is a ruby.
Ruby,
Yeah. My spinels are ruby, not rubies, yeah?
yeah. This Ruby.
This is ruby. Show me your ruby. Okay. Show me your. Wow, very beautiful.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. Bye bye. Good luck. Enjoy. Enjoy. Bye bye. Bye. And of course, we have a traditional Myanmar dress everywhere, which is super beautiful. And that's a value. And that's actually the shop where the lady in pink stayed. They were buying 5-carat neon pinkish red spinel in 1995 for $200 from Mansing. That was the most beautiful spinel ever. It was not the best shape, not square cushion, but it was a very nice elongated cushion. Today the same stone probably would worth like a 200,000, but you couldn't find. So traditional here. The girls are shy, and the Buddha everywhere. Mingalawa. Mingalawa. How are you? How much this Buddha? This Buddha from the Jade, right? US dollar, how much? That's how it's. How much?
500 US dollar.
500 US dollar. Show me.
Which one?
Yeah, which Buddha is 500 US dollar? Made from Jade. This one? No, it's a nice one. $500 for this beautiful Jade Buddha. That's so nice. Thank you. Jizu Temare, huh? Bye bye. Can you sell for $200? I would like to buy for $200.
200有冇拿咧？有冇咧吧？Huh?
I pay $200. Can you record, please? Hold. Don't interrupt. Don't stop. So I have $200 in my pocket, and I wanna buy this Jade. I wanna buy Jade Buddha crafted in this, and this lady, she wanna tell me how nice life it is. It's so beautiful. It's so nice, and she know how to measure the things.
We have okay this one.
And you see, so we have it. We have come closer. We have a very come closer. We have very difficult choice what I put to people all the time when I do business. I put the money here and Buddha here and the stone here. So you choose either this or this. Mama, this or this. Okay, no problem. So this time we don't buy Jade Buddha because we not agree on the price, but she's still hesitant. She might sell it, we don't know. Okay? Okay, she say okay. She say okay. Thank you, mom. I give you all money. I don't have $200 anymore. Don't switch.
Yeah.
Don't switch.
One.
Yeah, of course this one. Yeah, quickly. She packed for us and we go to see Fatih. We come 10 minutes later, okay? Ma?
10 minutes 跟讲了没？
We come 5 minutes. Let's go. And you give us a voucher, okay?
Is it okay to take a photo to you?
Yes, please. You take a photo with me. Such a good idea. Take a photo with me. Kuchutu, don't put all the time. You don't need.
We are such a big fan of you.
Really? Yeah. Come here. Come, Kuchutu. From here. Girls, come here. Come quickly. We're not gonna do one by one.
1, 2, 3.
So nice. So nice to be in Burma to meet the friends which I never meet. It's nice, right? Thank you. Jizu Timari.
Thank you so much.
Jizu Timari. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you. Huh?
Contact for you.
How contact me? We will meet here.
No, she want to buy a book.
You wanna buy book, then you need to go. Guys, if you wanna buy my book, you go gemstonesbook.com. Gemstonesbook.com and you order and it will be shipped or will be signed. You give instruction the way you want, okay? Please. And the first book I done about the Burma with him 8 years ago, it's sold out already. But we have another new book we made with the all Burma spinel. And thank you very much. So nice to meet you. Thank you. Chizuti Mare. Where's the cutting factory coming?
In front of the house, very close to the bridge.
Such a beautiful antique building. It's been burned few
We
times.
met in the coffee shop.
Burma is a beautiful country. A lot of monks, a lot of stones, a lot of kindness. People so kind here. Oh, la, la. Kanali, kanali. Chizuti Mare. Let's go, Kochuku.
Yeah.
Mingalaba. Sabibila. Sabibi. Sabu. What you do ready? Where's the cutting factory? You know, guys, we create incredible video for you on YouTube. More than 10 minutes. Just to reason was to find a cutting factory, gemstone cutting factory in Bojo Market, the oldest market. And so we meet a lot of friends, and we bought already Buddha made from the jade. And we make a selfie, and we sold the book. In the same time, we make a donation. We meet the old friend. How are you, my friend?
I'm fine, and you?
How are you? Good.
Okay.
Good morning. How are you? Sabibila? Sabibi? Good. Bye-bye. This come. So follow the pink monk. Mingalava. So we are in a diamond section. And wait. Before we go, I need to do the video of those trade, regali trade. And regali trends, it's okay. Hello. And this is a box with gemstone. Look at these. Hello. Okay, Yare. We're going to see how the gemstone cutting going. Yeah, that's a big video I make, guys, you know, for you. You know? Hello, sir, how are you? We are going to see how there was how you cut stones. I want to see how they cut stones in Bojo Market. Hello, Mingalava. Finally we are here. Hello.
My friend.
Hello, my friend. Okay, my friend, you take hold. Careful, don't stop. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not stopped.
Blue sapphire. My friend, you look like this. No. Look like this.
Hey, I look Tom Chick Hen.
Yeah. Okay, this water for the drinking for this meal. And my other friend cutting a blue sapphire from Burma Mogo in a very slow speed, and the color is amazing. Can you come closer, my friend?
Tonight, Nini two light.
Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. So the guy making the job, I like to do the same job. That's what I keep doing all my life. Pre-shaping with hands, so cool. So this is the end of our journey. We done so well. We found the place where they cut stones. Several guys. We are good. And I hope, guys, you subscribe for our YouTube channel, and this way you can continue to see us. And yeah, we're in the gem business. This is blue sapphire from Mogo. This is a blue sapphire From Mogo. Hold. Yeah, hands. Hold hands. Yeah, good. Hold your hands. Good. Okay. Good. Good.